Digital minimalism is not about completely disconnecting from technology, but rather about being intentional with how we use it. By decluttering our digital spaces and reducing the time spent on mindless scrolling, we can create more room for deep work and meaningful activities. This can lead to increased productivity and improved focus, allowing us to accomplish more in less time. One of the key benefits of reducing digital clutter is the ability to prioritize tasks and goals more effectively. When we are not constantly distracted by notifications and irrelevant information, we can devote our full attention to the task at hand. This can result in higher quality work and a greater sense of accomplishment. Moreover, digital minimalism can also have a positive impact on our mental well-being. By limiting our exposure to the constant stream of information online, we can reduce feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. This can lead to improved concentration and a greater sense of clarity in our thoughts. When we combine the principles of self-improvement and success hacks with digital minimalism, we unlock a powerful formula for achieving our goals. By optimizing our digital habits and focusing on what truly matters, we can create a more intentional and fulfilling life. In the following sections of this video, we will delve deeper into practical tips and strategies for incorporating digital minimalism into your daily routine. Stay tuned to discover how you can harness the power of digital minimalism to boost your productivity and focus. Be sure to like and subscribe to Affiliate Monarchs for more content on digital marketing. Understanding digital minimalism. Digital minimalism is a philosophy that advocates for a mindful and intentional approach to using technology to enhance personal effectiveness. At its core, digital minimalism is about decluttering your digital life, focusing on what truly matters, and optimizing your use of technology to improve productivity and focus. The key principles of digital minimalism include being intentional with your digital choices, setting boundaries on technology use, and prioritizing quality over quantity in your digital interactions. By adopting these principles, you can create a more purposeful and fulfilling relationship with technology. The psychological impact of digital clutter on productivity and focus cannot be understated. Constant exposure to notifications, emails, and social media updates can lead to cognitive overload, decreased attention span, and increased stress levels. This can hinder your ability to concentrate on important tasks and can ultimately impact your overall effectiveness. By embracing digital minimalism, you can mitigate these negative effects and create a more conducive environment for deep work and focused attention. For example, by setting specific times for checking emails and social media, you can avoid constant distractions and allocate dedicated time for important tasks. This can lead to increased efficiency and improved time management. Furthermore, adopting digital minimalism can lead to tangible improvements in various aspects of your life. For instance, by reducing the time spent on mindless scrolling and digital distractions, you can free up more time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. This can result in a greater sense of balance and well-being in your daily routine. In the next sections of this video, we will delve deeper into practical strategies for implementing digital minimalism in your life and reaping the benefits of enhanced personal effectiveness. Stay tuned to discover how you can harness the power of digital minimalism to optimize your productivity and focus. Are you enjoying this actionable content? Be sure to subscribe to Affiliate Monarchs for more. Boosting productivity through digital decluttering. In today's digital age, where we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions, decluttering our digital spaces can have a profound impact on our productivity levels. By reducing digital distractions and streamlining our online activities, we can create a more focused and efficient work environment. One practical tip for decluttering your digital spaces is to organize your digital files and folders in a systematic manner. By creating a clear and intuitive file structure, you can easily locate important documents and resources when needed, saving valuable time and minimizing distractions. Additionally, regularly deleting unnecessary files and apps can help free up storage space and optimize the performance of your devices. Another effective strategy for boosting productivity is to implement a digital detox routine. This involves setting designated periods of time where you disconnect from technology and focus on offline activities. By taking regular breaks from screens and digital devices, you can recharge your mental energy, improve your concentration, and enhance your overall work efficiency. The correlation between digital minimalism and increased task completion rates is evident in the way that reducing digital clutter can help prioritize and streamline your workflow. By minimizing distractions and focusing on high-priority tasks, you can make significant progress towards completing your goals in a timely manner. This can lead to a greater sense of accomplishment and satisfaction in your work. Incorporating digital minimalism practices into your daily routine can have a transformative effect on your productivity levels. By decluttering your digital spaces, implementing digital detox periods, and prioritizing tasks effectively, you can optimize your focus and efficiency in achieving your objectives. Stay tuned for the next sections of this video, where we will explore more strategies for enhancing productivity through digital decluttering. Be sure to like and subscribe to affiliate Monarchs for actionable content in the future. Fostering laser-sharp focus. Digital minimalism plays a crucial role in sharpening focus and concentration by minimizing digital noise and distractions that can hinder cognitive abilities. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with information, adopting digital minimalism can help us cultivate a more focused and attentive mindset. Minimizing digital noise is essential for enhancing cognitive abilities and improving focus. By reducing the number of notifications, emails, and social media updates that compete for our attention, we can create a calmer and more conducive environment for deep work. This allows us to allocate our mental resources more efficiently and concentrate on tasks that require sustained attention. To maintain focus amidst a digitally saturated environment, it is important to establish boundaries and set clear priorities. One effective strategy is to implement time blocking techniques, where you allocate specific time slots for different tasks and activities. By creating a structured schedule and minimizing multitasking, you can enhance your ability to concentrate on one task at a time and avoid distractions. The long-term benefits of sustained focus on personal and professional growth are significant. By consistently honing your ability to concentrate and maintain focus, you can improve your productivity, creativity, and problem-solving skills. This can lead to greater efficiency in completing tasks, achieving goals, and making progress in your personal and professional endeavors. Moreover, sustained focus can also have a positive impact on your overall well-being and mental health. By reducing stress and anxiety associated with constant distractions, you can experience greater clarity of mind, improved decision-making abilities, and a sense of accomplishment in your daily activities. In the upcoming sections of this video, we will explore more strategies and techniques for fostering laser-sharp focus through digital minimalism. Stay tuned to discover how you can harness the power of focused attention to enhance your cognitive abilities and achieve your goals with greater clarity and efficiency. Implementing digital minimalism strategies. If you're ready to declutter your digital life and enhance your productivity and focus, incorporating digital minimalism into your daily routine is a powerful step in the right direction. By taking actionable steps to reduce digital distractions and streamline your online activities, you can create a more intentional and fulfilling relationship with technology. To start incorporating digital minimalism into your daily routine, consider practical steps for reducing digital distractions in both personal and work settings. This may include turning off non-essential notifications, setting boundaries on social media usage, and decluttering your digital devices by organizing files and apps. By creating a more streamlined digital environment, you can minimize distractions and optimize your focus on important tasks. Creating a digital minimalist plan tailored to your specific needs is essential for long-term success. Take the time to assess your digital habits and identify areas where you can make improvements. Set clear goals and boundaries for your technology use, and establish routines that support a more mindful and intentional approach to digital consumption. By customizing your digital minimalist plan to align with your lifestyle and priorities, you can create a sustainable framework for enhancing your productivity and focus. In addition to developing a personalized digital minimalist plan, consider utilizing resources and tools to support your journey towards a more intentional digital lifestyle. There are a variety of apps, extensions, and techniques available to help you track and manage your digital usage, block distractions, and optimize your online experience. By leveraging these resources, you can stay accountable to your digital minimalist goals and make meaningful progress towards a more focused and productive mindset. By implementing digital minimalism strategies in your daily life, you can unlock the potential for greater productivity, enhanced focus, and a more balanced relationship with technology. Stay tuned for the next sections of this video, where we will delve deeper into practical tips and techniques for embracing a digital minimalist lifestyle. Like and subscribe to our channel for actionable content. Throughout this video, we have explored the numerous benefits of digital minimalism for productivity and focus. By decluttering your digital spaces, reducing distractions, and prioritizing meaningful activities, you can create a more focused and efficient work environment. Digital minimalism can lead to increased productivity, improved concentration, and a greater sense of balance in your daily routine. Now is the perfect time to reflect on your own digital habits and consider making positive changes towards a more intentional and mindful use of technology. By assessing how you interact with digital devices and identifying areas where you can optimize your digital consumption, you can take meaningful steps towards incorporating digital minimalism into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being and productivity. We encourage you to take action today and start implementing digital minimalism strategies that resonate with you. Whether it's setting boundaries on technology use, decluttering your digital spaces, or creating a personalized digital minimalist plan, every step you take towards a more intentional digital lifestyle can have a positive impact.